What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, and I hope you are having an awesome day. Today, I just wanted to show you how to take advantage of the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. All you need to do is head on over to the pricing page, and you'll see the coupon code. It's here at the top, Black Friday 21, and then you can select which bundle you want, or you can browse the individual add-ons. I'll just go ahead and buy the LifterLMS Infinity bundle. Now, our promotion this Black Friday season, not only are you getting a discount, which I'm going to enter the coupon code right here, hit apply, and you can see how that reduced the price by $240 of the Infinity bundle. You also get $2,000 worth of bonuses as well if you purchase this month. So that's how easy it is to use the LifterLMS Black Friday All November coupon code.